random thing happened today. Seen for tomorrow's shoot. Shooting some test footage. Meet a man named Justin who ends up, and then I see him after I've solved the cube. You're mixing it up that we haven't had. Yeah. What's your name?
Justin.
Justin Gambit.
Gambit?
Like, Gambit, yeah. Gambit Magician on Instagram.
I like that. I like that.
Thanks. Thanks for mixing it up, man.
See ya.
Wish me luck.
Cheers.
Alright, Justin just mixed that up. Let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna move real quick and get some momentum. Alright? Right up there. Against me right now. Bathrooms in Queens Quay to... I have no idea.
Hey man, I just did a post on it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so I basically did like a reel that said, "Can he do it?" Like I tagged you. Oh wait, oh, shit. I had that in. Did you do it? Did you do it in this round when I had the one that I gave you?
Yeah, well you gave it to me.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet man. There it is.
Thank you.